In this video, I will show you the easiest way to pay for 1688 order without any stress. Let me show you how. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and asked me to pay for some order. Take a look at this this contact right here. Asked me to pay for this order on 1688. You can see the screenshot of the order right here. And I decided to make a video about this and show you how to easily pay for any order on 1688 without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead. I'm going to exit from my WhatsApp right here, and I will go ahead, open up my 1688 app. Just like so. Having opened up my 1688 app, I have already added all the products to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead, click on cart right here, and then all the product has been found right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select them one after the other. I'm paying for this store, and then scroll down. I'm paying for this store, just like so, and then I'm paying for this store right here. Having selected everything, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, you can see I'm paying the sum of 81 point something yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. 81.31 yuan. So next thing I'm going to do is to choose my means of payment right here, and I'm using Alipay. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then allow the Alipay to connect. Then enter my payment password right here. So payment done successful right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. So I'm going to screenshot the proof of payment. I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here, come back to my WhatsApp, and then send the proof of payment to the owner of the goods and say payment done. Payment done. And hit on send. It's that simple. If this is exactly what you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.